Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful vintage style country home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage country home decor blends rustic, traditional and nostalgic elements to create a warm, lived-in feel reminiscent of rural homes from the past. It often incorporates a mix of natural materials, antique or distressed finishes, and charming functional items that evoke a sense of simplicity and timelessness. Key characteristics of vintage country home decor: antique or vintage pieces, furniture with distressed finishes or patina. Use vintage-inspired lighting such as lanterns or old iron candelabras. Repurposed items like old cradles or ladders used as shelves or decor. Farmhouse-inspired elements, sheeted walls, bakeboard, or wooden paneling. Use apron front sinks and vodka block countertops in kitchens. Use barn doors or sliding doors for rustic charm. Textiles and patterns: quilts, crocheted throws, and lacquered nets. Patterns like gingham, floral, or tile. Use natural fibers such as marline or linen. Vintage country home decor: a deep dive. Vintage country home decor combines the charm of simpler times with cozy, rustic aesthetics. It's a style that feels inviting, warm, and full of character, often reflecting a common to nature and a love for history. The decor style is perfect for those who appreciate traditional craftsmanship, antique treasures, and a homey atmosphere. Core elements of vintage country home decor: furniture, rustic and antique style. Furniture pieces are often timeless, showcasing craftsmanship with an old or lived-in look. Examples include farmhouse tables, spindle-back chairs, and chests with distressed paint. Materials: solid wood is a staple, often with visible grain, weathering, or peeling paint. Repurposed items: old trunks as coffee tables, vintage benches, or platters used as shelving. Colors: neutral and soft, neutral base, whites, creams, and taupes create a calming backdrop. Accent colors: muted tones like shell green, dusty blue, lavender, or mustard yellow add depth without overwhelming the space. Finish: matte, chalky paint finishes enhance the vintage feel. Accessories: functional and charming, messengers used as vases, candle holders, or storage. Metal accents: galvanized buckets, old iron hooks, or tin trays. Vintage kitchenware: enamel pots, copper pans, or ceramic bowls displayed on open shelves. Chic styles, soft and layered, quilts and throws, hand stitched or patchwork designs, add warmth and nostalgia. Curtains, like gingham or linen curtains, allow soft light to filter through. Rugs, often are beaded rugs in natural fibers, complement the rustic flooring. Patterns, classic and nostalgic. Gingham, a staple of country decor, often in tablecloths or curtains. Floral prints, small, delicate patterns in pillows or wallpaper, stripes and checks. Simple patterns add subtle texture. Decorating ideas for vintage country homes. Living room. Use a distressed coffee table with a stack of old books and a vintage lamp. Incorporate a mix of furniture such as a sleek covered sofa and a wooden rocking chair. Add a gallery wall with antique frames, mirrors, or botanical prints. Kitchen. Display open shelves with vintage dinnerware, mason jars, or copper pans. Use an old wooden ladder as a pot rack or towel holder. Incorporate farmhouse sinks and vodka block countertops. Bedroom. Feature an iron bed frame with layered coils and crushed pillows. Add a reclaimed old headboard or a vintage trunk at the foot of the bed. Use antique dressers with glass knobs for storage. Outdoor spaces. Use wooded furniture such as wooden benches or old iron chairs. Decorate with galvanized watering cans, terracotta pots, and hanging lanterns. Create cozy nooks with layered cushions and plaid blankets. Want to find vintage country decor, antique shops, and flower markets? Look for unique, one-of-a-kind page with character. Thrift stores, great for finding budget-friendly decor like old picture frames or kitchenware. Type projects. Repurpose old wood into shelves or transform mason jars into candle holders. Online stores, Stay and eBay often have handmade or vintage decor items. Why choose vintage country decor? Timeless appeal. It never goes out of style, blending old with modern elements if needed. Eco-friendly, repurposing and upcycling vintage pages, videos, oils. Personal touch. Each piece tells a story, adding character to your home. Vintage country home decor is a versatile style that embraces the charm of rural life and nostalgia for the past. Here is a more detailed exploration of this timeless aesthetic. Design philosophy of vintage country home decor. As its heart, vintage country decor is about creating a warm and inviting environment that feels authentically homey. blends practical with aesthetic charm, often inspired by the simplicity and resourcefulness of traditional country living. The goal is to balance comfort, history, and natural beauty in every space. Detailed elements, materials. Vintage Country Decor emphasizes natural and durable materials that age beautifully. Thick oak, reclaimed bark oak, pine oak, and distressed finishes are common. Metal, oak, iron, galvanized steel, and copper are used for lighting, furniture, and accents. Stone, exposed brick walls or stone fireplaces add rustic warmth. Glass, vintage glass bottles, jars, and windows create decorative interest. Furniture style pieces are practical and sturdy, often with a touch of imperfection that adds character. Examples: farmhouse tables with trestle bases, Windsor or ladderback chairs, buffets or sideboards with peeling paint or patina, upholstered pieces with floral or striped patterns. Accessories and decor. Vintage Country Decor is all about clearing meaningful and functional items. Decorative items, antique clocks, old books, and candle holders. Use vintage signs, chalkboards, and wooden mirrors. Functional accessories, messengers for stories or as vases, galvanized buckets and animal pictures for plants or flowers. Room by room ideas. Living room. Use a vintage trunk or a reclaimed old coffee table. Hang a mix of antique frames, botanical prints, or old maps. There are soft throws and pillows on a slip-covered sofa. Kitchen. Install open shelving to display vintage cookware, messengers, and crockery. Add a farmhouse sink and use vodka block or soapstone countertops and copper pots and pans for both function and style. Dining room. Feature a large farmhouse table with mismatched chairs. Use a vintage hut to display china or glassware. Add a centerpiece with fresh flowers in a galvanized bucket or enamel jug. Bedroom. Choose an iron bed frame or a headboard made from reclaimed wood. There are quilts and crochet blankets for a cozy feel. Add a vintage vanity or dresser with glass knobs. Bathrooms. Incorporate a clawfoot tub for a luxurious vintage vibe. Use metal or wooden baskets for towel storage. Add a rustic mirror with a distressed oak frame. Outdoor spaces. Create a charming porch with wooden rocking chairs or a porch swing. Use vintage garden tools or old watering cans as decor. Add string lights or lanterns for a magical evening glow. Painting with other styles. Modern pair vintage country pieces with sleek finishes for a fresh, updated look. Industrial combine rustic oaks with exposed metals for a rugged, contemporary feel. Decor precise florals, black and pastoral accents for romantic whimsical touch. Tips for crafting vintage country decor: start small. Introduce a few vintage pieces like a distressed mirror or an old wooden tray. Mix old and new. Blend antique finds with modern elements to keep the look balanced. Shop secondhand. Antique stores, flea markets, and thrift shops are treasure troves for vintage items. Type projects. Repurpose old furniture or decor to suit your space. For example, turn a ladder into a towel rack or an old window into wall art. Vintage country home decor draws inspiration from rural living of the 18th to early 20th centuries, where homes are practical and relied on locally sourced materials. This style is rooted in simplicity, craftsmanship, and a connection to nature. It reflects a time when items are made to last, often handmade, and designed for functionality and beauty. I think these ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.